Good morning, students. Today we will start our new exercise. Up to 3B we have completed in our earlier classes. So today we will start our next exercise 3C. Your first question is, what should be added to 3.189 to get 7? See, solution number first of exercise 3C. Exercise 3C. What should be added to 3.189? In what we have to add 3.189? What should be added? Let the number be added be x. We have to assume here x. The number should be added here be x. Let the number should be added is equal to x. In what we have to add 3.189. Therefore 3.189 plus x to get means equal to what we will get here 7. Now see, add it. X is equal to 7 minus 3.189. Okay. Now subtract it. 7.0003 minus 1.89. 3.711. 3.711. Sorry, here you will get 8. 3.8118 will be added to get 7. Okay. See question number second. What should be added to the difference of 3.14 and 1.674 to get 9? Now see, let the given difference. What is the given difference here? 3.14 minus 1.674. 1.674. Now what is the question given here? What we have to add the number? Added here is equal to x. And what we will get here? Therefore, what should be added to the difference of 3.14 and 1.7674? Therefore, what is the difference given here? 3.14 minus 1.674 plus x is equal to get 9. Now see, first of all solve the bracket. So 3.144 minus 1.674 1.466 plus x is equal to 9. Now see, x is equal to 9 minus 1.466. Now get the difference here. Nine 0.000 1.466. 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 6 3, and here 9 minus 4 5. 7.534. That is your answer. Now see our next question. Solution number 3. See, by how much is the sum of 14.28 and 11.219 greater than their difference? By how much is the sum of, what is the, of what we have to add? 14.28 and 11.219 we have to add greater than their difference. Then again when you add it first, in first step you have to add the number, in second step you have to subtract the number, then by how much the number is greater to that second number, second step that you have to show here. Now see, first of all let the sum of the number is equal to, what is the sum of number given here? 14.28 plus 11.219. Add the number. $11.219 plus 14.280. 9, 9, 4, 5, 25.499. Now see, again what they are saying, by how much the sum of, we have added this greater than their difference. Now the difference of the number is equal to, what is the difference of the number? Your question is 14.28 minus 11.219. Now get the difference. 14.28 minus 11.219. Now 6 point here 0 3 3.061 is the difference. So the difference of the number is 3.061. Now this number is how much greater than this number. Therefore, according to the question, see what they are asking. By how much is the sum of 14.28 and 11.219 greater than their difference? Now see, get minus here. 25.499 minus 3.061. 25.499 minus 3.061. 8, 3, 4, 2, 2. So 22.438 is the 22.438 times it is greater than the difference of 3.061. Okay. Now see question number 4. By how much, it is similar question. By how much is the difference of 604 and 406.064 less than their sum? Now here first of all you have to take the difference. Let the difference is equal to, what is the difference you got here? 604 minus 406.064. Now 604 406.000.064. 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 6 3, here 9.8, here again 9. Here 7, the 9, 1, 197.936 is your 197.936 is the difference you got here. Now is less than their sum. The sum of number is equal to 604 plus 406.064. Now see, 604 plus 406.064, 460. What is the difference you got here? 1010.064. Now what they are asking, how much is the how much is lesser? This number is how much less than this number. Now their difference we have to find. Now see, 1010.064 minus 197. 197.936. What is the difference you will get here? 1010.064 minus 197.936. 8 2 1 812.12. 812.12. 8 is their difference. Okay. Now see question number 5. How much would a dozen apple cost if the price of each apple is 8.35? See, if the price of one apple is 8.35, how much is the dozen apple will cost? Now see question number 5. Let the cost of an apple is equal to rupees 8.35. Okay, rupees 8.35. Now see, if a dozen apple, what is the price of dozen apple? In one dozen, how much apples will come here? In one dozen, there are 12 apples. So, cost price of 12 apples is equal to 12 into 8.35. Multiply it, 8.35 multiply by 12. 5 2s are 10, remainder 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 8 2s are 16. 5 1s are 5, 3 1s are 3, 8 1s are 8. 0, 12, 1. Now see, 100.20 rupees is the price of 12 apples. Okay. Now see, question number 6. Try to solve it by yourself. Try to solve questions which I have left today. Again we will do these questions in our next lecture. Don't worry. Just try to solve it in your rough copy. Okay. Otherwise I will explain you in your next lecture. Okay. Up to 5 questions you have to solve from here in your classwork copy. Okay, and the next lecture we will solve the remaining questions. Okay, but you also try to solve the questions and examples solve in your rough copy. Try to solve all the examples by yourself. If you have any doubt, ask me. Okay, thank you.